When you do an accounting finance program in Ireland and UK, your ACCA 9 papers, F1 to F9 is exempted. You don't have to write it. So look at the benefit of I'm doing a 1-year master program in ACCA F1 to F9 is granted to me. ഒരു ഫിനാൻസ് പേഴ്സണക്ക് ഫിനാൻസ് മാത്രം தெரிஞ்சதுன்னு he is a liability to the organization. You can be in operations department because operations department involves procurement, supply chain, logistics. This needs a lot of financial calculation.
Hi students, இன்னைக்கு இந்த எபிசோடில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது அக்கௌண்டிங் அண்ட் ஃபினான்ஸ், த மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் அண்ட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் டாபிக். அக்கௌண்டிங் அண்ட் ஃபினான்ஸ்னாலே யூகே அண்ட் அயர்லாந்து அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஏன் அப்படி சொல்கிறாங்க, அப்படி என்ன ஸ்பெஷல் அப்படிங்கிறத இன்னைக்கு we are going to have a detailed discussion with our special guest, international certified career coach, the founder and the executive director of EasyLink Academy, Mr. Soniyakara sir. Welcome you sir.
Thank you.
அக்கௌண்டிங் அண்ட் ஃபினான்ஸ் இந்த ரெண்டு வார்த்தை எப்போ கேட்டாலுமே அது கூட பேரலாக ரெண்டு வார்த்தை வருது, யூகே அண்ட் அயர்லாந்து. ஏன் அந்த ட்ரெண்ட், எதனால அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க, அதை பற்றின உங்களோட வியூ என்ன?
ஓகே, எஸ், டு அன் எக்ஸ்டென்ட் பீப்புள் சே ஃபினான்ஸில் வந்து மாஸ்டர் ப்ரோக்ராமுக்கு போகிறதா இருந்தால் they always ask UK and then Ireland. Now people started asking a bit of Australia and all that. But what you said is right, UK first and then Ireland. It's because of 2-3 reasons. First reason, the curriculum that we follow in India is UK curriculum, right? We follow British curriculum. So the financials or the finance technologies are same in UK and India. So you don't have to move to a different model when you go to a different country, different accounting system. There is no confusion because you are following the same model. That's the comfort level of any finance person to go to UK, and UK and Ireland are the same model. So you don't twist anything there. It's a continuation. Yeah. Second one, UK and Ireland are the only 2 countries will give you 1-year master program for finance. Yeah. So in 1 year, 10 months of classroom and 2 months of internship, you have finance master's is done. Okay. Third reason, when you do an accounting finance program in Ireland and UK, your ACCA 9 papers, F1 to F9 is exempted.
Great.
I'm not saying free coaching. I'm not saying free exam. It is exempted. You don't have to write it. You understand? So look at the benefit of I'm doing a 1-year master program in ACCA F1 to F9 is granted to me. And the last one, the syllabus of accounting and finance is beautiful. Yeah, we work a lot in India on the debit, credit, balance and the balance sheet. But look at from the corporate point of view. I'm coming with the corporate experience of 20 years. We don't look at debit credit in our office because the moment you enter the data, you get the financial statements. And the profit and the profitability, everything is kind of defined there. Your job is to understand the financial statement, work on it to improve the profitability or optimize the cost. As a finance specialist, what's my role in the marketing department? What's my role in the HR department? This is the way of life of a finance person. நான் வந்து எப்பவுமே சொல்லுவேன், ஒரு ஃபினான்ஸ் பர்சனுக்கு ஃபினான்ஸ் மாத்திரம் தெரிஞ்சதுன்னு வைங்களேன், he is a liability to the organization. Sorry for using this word. Because he understands only the finance and எது கேட்டாலும் he'll say no, பைசா இல்லை, பண்ண வேண்டாம், எடுக்க வேண்டாம். He will not understand that's an investment, this is an experiment, this will give returns. புரிஞ்சுதுங்களா? So நம்ம finance system going from UG to PG is going to the same calculations and problem solvings and calculations. Today the software is taking over this. So what you need is an accounting finance management program. And the syllabus in UK and Ireland, if you see, there is no problem papers in it. The first chapter starts with understanding the finance statement, reading the financial reports, making the financial reports, and optimization of cost, rules and regulations of the country. And the last 3 syllabus or the modules will be your role in other departments, your role in marketing department. This is the ideal way of teaching. Yeah. So coming back to what you asked, if at all someone is asking UK Ireland for finance because of 1 year, same system, British same curriculum, they get their ACCA, and finally they are going to a module which is a requirement of the corporates today.
Oh, great sir, great. And also one more thing, இப்போ இருக்கிற current trendல what are all that X factor programs you think, and also what are all the diversifying options for accounting and finance students?
This is my favorite word, X factor for finance students. See, I told you now, your job starts from understanding the financial statements. I told you now, enter the data, you get the financial statements. So common sensically you can think one must to do IT will be IT combination. That's why we have programs like FinTech, finance and technology, e-commerce, financial analytics, etc., etc. So the moment you add IT to finance, you become extraordinary. All right. So some of the trending programs are FinTech and financial analytics and e-commerce and all that. You were also asking about diversified programs. Imagine a student did a finance program and not excited much about finance. Like I did my mathematics and I was not excited much about mathematics, but I have huge academic score. But my excitement or my passion towards profession is not mathematics. So I moved to management. You understand? So a lot of finance students are saying, sir, I want to do a master's, but not in finance, not in FinTech also. அந்த மாதிரி இடத்துல வந்து நீங்கள் திங்க் பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு சில நல்ல விஷயங்கள், you can be in operations department. Because operations department involves procurement, supply chain, logistics. This needs a lot of financial calculations because you have to optimize the cost. You have to negotiate with the suppliers on procurement. We have to keep the right stock keeping so that the investments are very low. And even in operations, the order booking, the minimum order levels, there are so many things. So a finance expert coming into operations, he can do magics. Go to the marketing department, something called digital marketing today. And they have 2-3 departments. One is content creation, will be done by English people or so-called creative people. Second is the boosting technique will be done by an IT person. But the third part of this digital marketing is analytics. Once I do a promotion, once I did a projects, analytics is very important. அதை பொறுத்து தான் நான் இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி திருப்பி பண்ணணுமா பண்ண வேண்டாமான்ற முடிவு எடுப்பீங்க நீங்கள். Without analytics, you will be repeating the same mistakes again and again. So after one round of boosting, one round of SEOs, one round of Google Ads, you should have a pure analytics, maybe cost per lead and cost per conversions, etc. So a finance person, whichever department he go, he can super shine. So diversification சொல்லும்போது நான் இதுக்கு தான் போகணுன்ற மாதிரி சொல்ல வரல. But business analytics, supply chain logistics and operations, and your international business management, your digital marketing are the few which are proved by finance people that they can do magics on.
Great sir, great. And students, finance and accounting உங்களோட கனவா இருந்ததுன்னா பிஃபோர் சூஸிங் வாட் யூ வாண்ட் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த வீடியோவை பாருங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு அது ஒரு கிளாரிட்டி கொடுக்கும். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் தி வண்டர்ஃபுல் செஷன் சார். தேங்க்யூ.